Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video of Superpot. Please leave a like and subscribe on this video because this is my very first video of Lego building. So I have this right here, the bed of the car. We have the wheels right here, all four of them. And now it's time to build. Gonna put these on here. Like normally. This right here, you know it. No, you don't. Stop. Let me go. Nah, I'm good. Now it's time to put these on there, like that. And I have a strategy for putting this there. And taking these two and put it like this. Looking like a race car now, bro. This is crazy. And now let's put this there like that. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would be the 5th one. There we go. Like that. Please don't judge me with this because I really just picked up a pile of Legos. I really do not know what I'm building right now, so. Alright, this is looking pretty good. Got the, what is this? Got the front of it. We've got the grill right here. This is the top of it. The trunk stuff. The mirror right here. We've got the sides right here. And the back of it. Honestly, don't know what this is, but it's time to test it. And also, for all the fans out there, you can rewatch this video and copy this Lego build that I made. That is if you have the right materials, because some of these are decently rare. Alright, first off, dropping it. Whew, only one piece broken. I mean, like, flinged off. And that would be this piece. Man, this thing is pretty sturdy. It looks sturdy, and it is sturdy. On to our next test. I have string, and I have something to put on it. Alright, yeah, this thing is quite long. Alright, we've got our thing, the scissors right there. This is our string. Buddy, you're upside down. Might as well just do that. Alright, this is the chest. Let's go! We're running! Oh. It's time for the yank. Alright, I double tied it. Now let's go. String down. Oh, now it's just still got it. see how you go from this. Oh, yeah, you lost one right there. Now I'm going to keep this in my pocket so that I know how many pieces I lost to add up with it. Alright, that's enough of that. But we only lost one piece, and that means that my Lego build was amazingly strong. And that's a good sign for my next things that I'm going to do. First off, I'm going to kick it. So I lost a whole... Oh! Lost actually a few pieces. 1, 2, 3. Well, to be real here, I lost 2, 3, 4, 5. Just gonna put those back on for the next test. Alright, now throwing it. What? Yo! I literally threw... Yeah, that's what I'm talking... Pieces? You down there? Guys, I think I just lost a piece. Man. Alright, on to the next one. Punching. My fist hurts now. So, as you can see, I lost quite a few pieces on my custom Lego build. I lost a front bumper, and my back bumper is out of existence. We are ready for the next tests. So, the next test isn't exactly a test, it's more of a building challenge. So, you know how my build didn't exactly break for most of them? I'm going to let my brother build his own creation out of these Lego bricks, and I'm going to test it out the same way that I did on this one. Well, my brother is one of those Lego YouTubers that, only shows his hands while making his stuff, so he says he's probably not going to do a face reveal, so I'm just going to show my face asking him to redo the thing. Also, his YouTube channel name is @LegoNugget11, so please subscribe to his channel because I want him to be extremely good like I am. Well, of course, I'm not extremely good right now. I've only got, over 16 subscribers. But, you get my idea. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. He's uploading his second video. You can pause this video, open up another tab, and then go to his channel, watch that second video, and then you can come back to this one. I really hope it's good. Hey, bro, can you redo my call real quick? Yeah, I think that's a no. False alarm. I actually found at least part of the back bumper. The green part is still missing, so I may need to check to see where it is when I'm not filming. Alright, so as you can see, I finished my call thingy bowl, whatever the heck this is. You can put it this way or this way. I personally like it this way, but a little tour of it No. This is the front of it. And this is the grill. These are the headlights. They're really bright, so it like shines over almost everything. And these are the smokestacks right here. This is the windshield right there. And this is this thing right here. It's really just some decoration for something. And this, I really just didn't have anywhere to put this. This is the steering wheel. This, I lost a piece, in which I do not care really. Time for the tests. The first test, as you know it, dropping. Oh, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, but that would count as only one. So yeah, on to the next ones. Alright, I've got the string, the scissors, and I forgot about the piece. Alright, so as you can see, I have the string and I have the piece that I connect it to. And now it'll actually go forward, so let's get going. I feel like this one is going to be a lot more fragile than the other one, but let's just test it. Alright, the yank. Oh! Yo! Alright, the whole windshield came off. Let's put that in our pocket real quick. And let's go back to where we went. It looks so weird without the windshield, though. Alright, coming on this. This one is actually a bit more stable than the other one. Alright, now let's actually go on running. Alright, now let's go to the next test. And one of the last ones. Alright, let's kick this thing. Alright, I lost the front of it. Now it's time to throw it. Yeah, throwing isn't exactly that efficient. Alright, now punching it. Oh! You deserve pain. Lego is indestructible. I'm saying it right now. It's indestructible. It beats the bones, but it's literally plastic, bro. This is plastic and it... Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there forever. Alright, so the results from my brain just came back. And it's safe to say that the first creation is a lot stronger than the second. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel so I know that you want some more Lego videos.